Hello class 6. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 8, that is Introduction to Qbasic. Okay, Introduction to Qbasic. So before beginning the chapter, I would like to explain what do you mean by programming language. Okay, so language means a means or a form of communication with different people. Okay, with language you can communicate, share your ideas with different people. So in computers, in order to communicate with computer, you can use programming language. Okay, programming language is a means of communicating with computer. And number 2 is programming language is mainly used for making softwares and computer programs. So whenever people are making different kinds of softwares, games, the language used in that making is programming language. Okay, and programming language is also used for research purposes, for high level problems, like for example high level engineers, scientists, they use programming language to create their own software to solve different high level problems. So before starting with Qbasic, we'll have to understand what do you mean by basic. Basic is a high level programming language. So I think you have understood what do you mean by programming language. Programming language is a means to communicate with computers. Okay, so basic is a high level programming language, and it stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, Basic's full form is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code, and BASIC was invented by George Kennedy and Thomas Coase at Dartmouth College in 1964. So it was invented by George Kennedy and Thomas Coase in 1964. So what do you mean by Qbasic? Qbasic, it is a version of BASIC. Okay, it is a version of BASIC that was developed by Microsoft Corporation, and it is used for creating small programs, games, displaying pictures, displaying sounds, videos, solving maths problems, etc. So let's move on to another topic, that is starting Qbasic. So over here we'll have to understand the structure of Qbasic. Okay, structure of Qbasic window. So how do you start Qbasic? In order to start Qbasic, you will have to click on Qbasic icon in your Windows computer. So if you don't have Qbasic icon, you will have to download the software from internet, and you can start using it. So this is the structure of Qbasic. The upper one displays the application. Okay, the upper one, this one, displays the application, and just below that there are commands. These are known as command menus, like for example file, edit, view, search, run, debug, and option, help. These are known as command menus. Okay, and just below that there is it's written untitled. Untitled is the name of the program, and there is minimize button, maximize button, and close button. The window or the screen of the Qbasic is known as IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, because editing, creation of the program, everything is done over here only. And if you want to increase the size of the window, you'll have to press Alt plus Enter, and in order to reduce the size of the Qbasic window, you can also use Alt plus Enter. So this was it.